Hello, good morning, everybody. We are live. Oh my lord, what happened? We got NFP and we got a big, huge pop on that, guys. Holy crap. Up 203 points off this NFP news. Just wow, guys. Just wow. Oh my lord. So we're in this 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Pulling back. So we had this naked point of control from a couple days ago. It was left. This was from Wednesday. So that had to be the target, of course. We took it out and now we're pulling back already below it. I'm wondering if they're gonna come all the way back down to the lows here. Let's see. We'll see. We will have to see. Kyle Shees, hey, good morning. Hi Tam, hey, good morning, good morning. How we all doing, guys? Jeez, this is crazy. This is crazy. Trying to see where I could get in long here. Do I want to take a stab with Lucid funded? Not really sure here. It's craziness.
Yeah, tell me about
it. Holy crap, hey?
What a morning.
Yeah. Hopefully that's a good morning.
It's not horrible.
Okay, good. Yeah, geez. Woke up and looked at the charts and I'm like, holy crap, NFP was a good it was a big news today.
Yep. I like this. Today's theme is agreeing with the market. All right, we had an elevator up and stairs down for the news, so that was the opposite of what normally happens. ES is sitting in a bullish fair value gap, and it's at the working value area low.
The developing value area low kind of thing?
Yeah.
Yep, above previous day high still, and yeah, it's just crazy. Could have been a really nice short off the highs there too. 29.8.
Yep, I ended up screwing up. I didn't take my profits in time, left about $400 sitting on the table, and then ended up taking another long when I should have went short. Lost $50 on that one.
Okay.
And then it just kept coming down.
Yeah, wow. I didn't really see that coming. Let's hope it doesn't mitigate this 15-minute bullish fair value gap that we're in right now. Sort of previous day high is like the bottom of the 15-minute fair value gap. So non-farm payroll was bad. Why did it go up? Good question. I didn't see the actual news.
Who knows, man? It's pretty impossible to tell at this point.
Probably because we had this naked point of control up here.
And that's why I'm not a news trader.
Be like, oh, it's good. It's bad news. Let's go short. Blown account.
And then just get smoked, yeah.
Well, we all know that the market often does opposite of what you think, what the majority of people think it's going to do. So maybe that's why.
I mean, it's been acting real weird lately. We'll see what the New York session brings us.
Yeah, we got about 10 minutes here to that, to the open.
I don't think I'm getting into anything until that happens, but
yeah, especially with the way what's sort of happening here. Unless we'll start doing something crazy.
Well, that's almost a guarantee, isn't it?
That's true. We are kind of tapping into a current 5-minute bullish fair value gap here too. We already mitigated about half of it. 29,714. Non-farm payroll went from 57 to negative 23. Oh, exactly. I don't trade the news anymore. Yeah, blackout news. You've blacked out the news, hey?
Yeah. Good choice. Good choice.
So we got about 7.5 minutes here till the bell. I'm drinking a red rose tea this morning.
Look at you, Mr. Fancy Pants.
With creatine. I'm lazy to make the coffee yet.
Putting creatine in tea. That
Well,
sounds
can't really taste it anyways, so no flavor added. Let's get some other tunes going here. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys catching some longs earlier also, or what's the deal, Mr. Chats?
Night. NASDAQ open. Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles. And somebody better find Gordon. W's in the chat. Let's trade.
All right. Coming up on 5 minutes left here.
Big boys active. 2-minute MNQ. Now the whole reactive. Skeletal count and rejections of VWAP. Caught one short, now he's kicking right back.
Hey Jerry, good morning. You're on a second Red Bull to recover from yesterday's loss. Not a health advice. No,
Nice.
Hey, good morning. Your internet's pretty bad this morning. Uh-oh. Be careful, be careful. Make sure you get that stop loss in there if you're going to take a trade right away. Oh, what was that?
Call that thing a mini.
5 minutes until the market open. A little less than.
Your internet's pretty bad. That's unfortunate about I would hate to. I hate trading with bad internet. Nick knows all about that on occasion.
Oh yeah.
It's like, where'd Nick go? Uh-oh. Hopefully
Yeah.
the internet's not out.
It's happened more times than I care to even think about.
Right. That was quite a volatile candle there for the 5 minutes before market open. Hey, Drew
Yeah.
69 Malibu, good morning. Jerry Candle squirms. Yesterday in the chat, Jerry was saying he doesn't like to trade until he sees the candles squirming because he knows then something's gonna happen. And we made a song out of like the chat, and that's like
Nice.
it's like, Jerry Candle squirms.
Y'all are goofy.
Yeah. I'm like, guys, we're gonna make a song out of the chat. Make sure you put in something funny into the chat right now, guys. What do we got left here? About 3 minutes? 3 minutes left here.
Watch, this is gonna launch up now.
Think so? It might. It might. Jerry likes this song.
He just likes it because of the squirmy candles.
Yes, I did see the spike on the book map. Hi, Tam. Ooh, getting real heavy here at the moment. This 15-minute candle here coming down to previous day high.
Well, let's see if this ends up being a support level.
We got about 2 minutes here to the bell.
Let's trade.
1 minute left here.
Late night. NASDAQ open. Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles. And somebody better find Gordon.
Somebody better find Gordon.
Yeah, I know,
Like it.
right? Because we were like, where's Gordon been? 'Cause he's like, he must be really rich right now.
Must be.
All right, 15 seconds
minute.
here. Oh, bookmap is just going crazy, like the movements on it.
Yep.
Oh, 730s. Gonna have to get through the 730s here if we're gonna push higher.
Looking like ES is getting a little bit of lift here. Still real hesitant about getting into anything with all these orders down at 77.50. Oh boy.
I'm in a nice long here.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm gonna take, I took off 2 already. I'm gonna try to take 2 more off right here. Come on, get it. Alright, so I got 2 left now. I'm gonna go stop, break even on those 2. So good trade here so far. Up 450. It's too bad I got in now just below 800s. And it's still going. Oh my god. There we go. I'm out. Wow. Damn, 603
Nice
bucks.
trade.
Holy crap. Man, I wish I didn't get out of that. Freaking damn. I got scared. I wanted to make sure I protect the account, so as soon as it got into profit, I put the break even and it wicked me out. Yeah, keep calm, no FOMO, right, Blackout? Don't chase it down. I bought it at previous day high there.
I don't even think I want to be trading today.
Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping it small now. So that's why I did put 600 in my Blue Sky funded account, which is awesome. That's good.
That's great.
2 U's for Dave. Hey, thanks, Kyle. 2 U's for Dave. No, we're tapping into that 5-minute bearish fair value gap that we left on that pushback down. This is some crazy price action, though. Like, that candle itself was another 131 points. So ATR is extremely high today. Zarb's in 1 micro. He's in 1 micro since, like, I think before NFP.
Is
And
he
he held
long or
it
short?
long, and he held it all the way from, like, even though it peaked and it pulled all the way back, he still held it. He's just convinced that we're going for some equal highs over from the left, I guess, somewhere around, probably around 30K. Because we have a whole bunch of equal highs over between 29,950 and 30K. So I think that's what he's like waiting for. It's like, oh jeez. Van Shoot. Is it Van Shoot or is it Vanch IT? Or yeah, Vanch IT, because we do have Vanch Math Paul that comes in the chat. So I'm wondering if it's the similar name to that.
Vans hit me. Vans hit?
Vans hit? Yeah, that's true. Vans hit.
VN shit?
V
I don't know.
I'm going straight back down here. Holy crap, guys. Took 40 points. Now you're waiting for 945. Smart move. High time. Yeah. I'm going to be patient now too till we shake this price action out, because I was pretty convinced we were going to get a bullish move there out of the gate, but you never know what's going to happen now.
We've erased everything from that first 5-minute candle.
Yeah. That's where that trailing your profits up is huge. Because had I just stuck a TP in there, it would have hit it, went right through it, and instead I got almost as I sold it almost at the top of that. The top of that candle was 814, and I got out at 801.
Now we do have a gap that could be filled on NQ all the way down to 29,537.
Is that like from regular trading hours?
Regular trading hours.
Yeah. Not taken into overnight stuff. Wow. That's crazy. Back into that 5-minute bullish fair value gap.
We are right at the New York Open now.
I think I might only trade evals now. I don't know. Got some profit, green on the day.
Yeah, over 100 points on that first 5-minute candle.
It's crazy. And look at that. They just bouncing this thing straight back up again. Talk about shaking out traders.
We are at the New York VWAP now. Still under it though, so...
Got about 60
Where all
people
those-
on YouTube.
Where all those bulls got trapped up in the upper 700 level. Looks like it's coming right back to it.
Yeah, there was a lot of buy volume balls there, wasn't there? It's like a backwards S, the book map. It's like like all the way up, all the way down, and then all the way back up almost. It looks kind of like an S. Like if you were to look at it sideways. Backwards, but you know, it's like when you have an earthquake and like the Richter scale thing prints like it kind of looks like that right now. This huge swings. Like, okay, we just went through an earthquake. Let the meter calm down here.
Peace.
Oh my god, we're getting all the way back down to the market open again, sitting in this bullish 5-minute fair value gap. Hey, Peter Hartman, good morning, brother. How are you doing?
Peter.
Peter's in the house. How are you and your bro doing?
Yeah, they're doing something.
Oh, Nick, you had 200 on YouTube? Nice, bro. That's awesome.
Yeah, somebody pointed that out to me this morning.
You were pretty close last night. We did. Somebody asked about it. We shared shared it last night.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. Herbert Peter says light drop for the butcher of Wall Street instead of the butcher of what is that? The Bayside butcher.
Fleet Street.
That algo looks the same on 1 hour compared to the 5 minute. That's crazy, hey?
Peter's over there making. Oh no, it's the barber of Fleet Street,
Oh yeah.
not the
Barber.
butcher. Sorry.
I just dropped a like in their channel. I like those guys.
Yeah,
Awesome
they're
guys.
fun.
Jeez. I'm about to take TP here off another one.
Yeah, I just got in a single micro long right now. Locked in 20 in profit. I'm up $40 on this.
I took one micro off already. I bought it at 738 in the fair value gap. 2 micros, and I got one taken out, one stop in profit at the 770. See if this thing can't continue this push here, but it looks like it's gonna. Okay, almost stopped me there. Now it's gonna stop me. No. Oh, okay.
No, it's just gonna keep playing with your.
Keep playing with the stop loss here. Let's see if we can get above the 800s. That's gonna be huge for the bulls here. Kind of feel like I should probably trail it up again though. Come on, take the 8s. Take the 8s. And just give us a Randy B candle here. There we go. 810, 815. Come on. Lots of resistance up there. Jeez.
Oh yeah.
I'm putting my stop at the bottom of this candle here. Might get taken out. Yep. I'm out. Nice. So 321 in the blue sky propel count now. I had about 150 in there yesterday, so that was about $160, $170 trade. Nice. 86 and 78. Wow, the swings are huge this morning. Wow. I wish I wasn't so scared to trade my my funded accounts that are like in payout zones, because I just don't want to f them up on Friday going into the weekend here. So I'm just leaving them for now. Next, I could take a look at top 1 futures, I guess.
Wow. All right. You know
What a
what?
nasty pullback, man. What the heck's going on here? Total barcode, hey, Hightam? And it's like 100-point barcode.
You know what? I'm not trading today. This is stupid.
It's pretty crazy.
Oh.
Well, lock it out for a bit, and then if later when your unlock comes back on, then you can always just reassess.
Yeah,
Or
this
you
is
just- Mhm.
I'm not loving this excessively choppy price action. Normally, I'll do the level to level using the deviation bands, but considering looking to the left from the pre-market action, big news day this morning. I'm just not. I'm not willing to put the risk on right now.
It's fair enough. It's Friday too. No need to. You had a great week, so I mean, you don't really need to like push it today, you know? Oh, they're doing a race on on Traders Post this morning. Odds are pretty good if you're gonna get a W over there right now. Oh, I never told them that I passed the blue sky eval that I got from there. That's what I'm trading. So. Oh, I'm in their I'm in the wrong stream actually. It's because they have their they have the vertical stream going too. I was like wondering why does it look so weird today? Because you just posted, I'm like, I don't see any comments here. So they're yeah, they got the vertical and the. There we go.
Yeah, FN trades, this price action is making me not want to do anything today.
Yeah.
So the opening range is set.
Yeah.
We're above the New York VWAP. We just hit the standard 2 deviation band, coming back down into a bullish fair value gap. Everything about this is telling me that I should wait a little bit until it gets down to that VWAP, then take a long. But I'm not thinking that's a great idea right now. So I'm going to step away for a few minutes before I start making poor decisions.
Before you get sucked into something that you're gonna not like
Yep.
later.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll be right back.
Just like Chris says, better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one.
Yep. I'll be back.
Okay, Nick. Up 219 for the day on 50k funded and 147 on 25k TPT eval. I'm done. Nice, good job, Blackout News. I mean, yeah, take it easy. No need to push it. Today's not. Doesn't look like today's a day to push it. So I mean, I took a killer trade earlier, but you know, I kind of like sort of played the odds there. And this bullish fair value gap so far has been holding pretty nicely. Like we had. Man, you could have really just bought 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row, and just like printed freaking pretty nice amount of. Well, I guess it would have been 1, 2, basically 3 candles in a row, and could have got up to like 70 points on each one, 60, 70 points. So that level has been holding real nice, but again, it's just a matter of which time is it going to break, right? The more times the price gets in there and plays around in there, often we're going to see those fair value gaps finally break. And then we have this one bearish one up top, so we're like sort of stuck between this range at the moment. So I mean, I think probably we're going to go higher some point here, just whether or not, you know, where the pullback is going to head to, how far it's going to go, I don't know. Kind of need to wait. So what we could do is, if you just want to be patient, is wait for an inverted fair value gap, right? So wait for us to either break and close above 833 or break and close below 686 on the NQ here, and it would keep you out of this middle price action here. And if you are going to trade this middle price action, which typically isn't my thing, but with pretty high volatility, you can make a decent amount of money. You know, you'd just be like sort of buying the low and selling at the highs kind of thing. Not financial advice, but because you never know, that one time that you buy it at the low, it might just continue going lower. So keep a relatively safe stop. Hey Jerry, you just joined, just subscribed at Traders Post. Nice. Like to see that. Starting to push down here again. So VWAP isn't really the price to be trading off of right now, guys. Skeletor, at Skeletor, you said at Skeletor, I'm staying out. Already traded pre-market. Right now it's too volatile. Don't force anything. Big T in the house. Most sedate New York Open ever. You think it's sedate? Like sedated? Like chilled? Or what? Yeah, Jerry, you'll like those guys over there. They have pretty funny personalities. They always have lots of good jokes and stuff, so nice guys. They're also Canadian people, which is awesome. My Canadian peeps. I didn't realize that channel was on YouTube for Traders Post. Well, this is what I was talking about. That fair value gap finally didn't hold this time. Let's see though. We haven't closed this candle just yet. We got about 2 minutes left. But we got to be back up above 686. What would our targets be below? We do have the point of control way down there, which, I mean, we've already activated it. We have the trend line down here. Also, 460s, 450s. But we still have a minute and a half here. They might close this back in the fair value gap. So it looks like they're trying to. What the heck? I usually am, Jerry, but I often like to go pop in there and see traders post. Those guys, they're fun guys. So
Anything good happen?
just funny. They're just making funny. They're funny on traders post. That's what I'm laughing at right now. Somebody just said, he's like, what position should I be in here, guys? And he goes, somebody's like, oh, you should either be flat, short, or long.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, that was you. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Exactly. Good comment there, Nick. Should have guessed that the funny comment came from Nick.
Yeah, well.
Skeletor said, Dave, I meant to ask you, since you taught me fair value gaps, do you always have the indicator on? And if so, do you have it turn on the 5-minute and 15-minute chart or both? Okay, so Skeletor, I just trade the 5-minute. Like I'm watching price on the 5-minute. I just like to, at the lower time frames, I just feel like it's a little too volatile to like get a good understanding. So if you wait for 5-minute closures, it's a little bit better. That being said, I do go to higher time frames, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, and I mark those ones off, right? I mark those fair value gaps off. So for example, like we do have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that we finally actually just closed below there too. So we don't have any more bullish fair value gaps up in the opening price here. But yeah, so typically I watch it on the 5, but I'll mark off the 15, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour fair value gaps just by like putting a box over them on my chart, kind of idea. Found support here at the overnight VWAP, it looks like. Whew, look at that thing. Just a rocket. Hey, you're welcome. That's why I tune in pre-market. Nick with the jokes and funny facts. Yeah, makes a great start to the day, of course. We always look forward to Nick's interesting fact of the day and the funny jokes.
Yeah, I don't remember what we did for a fun fact of the day. Something about European history. Oh, it was Napoleon's most embarrassing defeat. That's what it was.
Oh, okay.
It was the Battle of the Bunnies.
Battle of the Bunnies?
Yep.
Really? Yeah, Jerry just said Napoleon.
Napoleon.
Was he a pretty small guy?
No, he was like 5'7",
Oh, okay.
which was average height for a Frenchman at that time.
Yeah. Just like in all the images that I've seen, it just kind of like made him look small. I don't know why, but usually it's like drawings or something, but that's probably why.
It goes along. It's along the same lines as the Marie Antoinette "Let them eat cake."
Oh yeah.
It was basically that time period's propaganda.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Marie
Okay.
Antoinette never said "Let them eat cake." Napoleon wasn't actually a short guy.
That's what Big Teflon just said. That's British propaganda. About Napoleon, I guess. They got me. They got me.
If you are a fan of that musical about Alexander Hamilton, they make Hamilton out to be a hero, like he's an abolitionist and wanted to fight in the revolution, and that's all complete and total bullshit. And it came out of one book that was written by a Wall Street guy, because Hamilton, Wall Street. But Hamilton was not an abolitionist. He was definitely in favor of slavery. He was not for the working man and the poor people. He was married to one of the Schuyler sisters, and he was basically like trying to climb and gain social status. So General Lafayette from France was not an abolitionist. He was part of the bourgeoisie and was a firm backer of the French government until the French Revolution. The only reason he came to the States was not for to help with anything other than securing French interests in the new country. Everybody thinks of Aaron Burr as a villain, but if you actually know anything about Aaron Burr, he started the Manhattan Waterworks and had a clause in there in their contracts with New York about if there ever came a time when they were no longer needed to supply potable water to the 5 boroughs, that the banking arm of that company would remain intact. And the reason that was started with he and his brother-in-law was to actually help people who were not extremely wealthy save money, buy property, start businesses, things like that. And when the Manhattan Waterworks became defunct, that bank remained and is now still in business. And it's been purchased, and they've gone through mergers and everything. But Chase Manhattan, that's the bank.
Oh, no way.
No, they Aaron Burr was the one signer of the Declaration of Independence who wanted the immediate end to slavery, zero restrictions on women being educated, and also allowing women the right to vote, which was unheard of at that point.
Well ahead of his time.
Oh yeah. His wife and daughter were actually considered the 2 most well-educated women in the world. Unfortunately, his daughter was they believe she was killed by pirates.
Oh.
He never actually recovered from that, but yeah, and in that musical thing, they always talk about, or they were talking about how he was the villain and Thomas Jefferson was hated him. He didn't. And he shot Hamilton after Hamilton decided to write him a letter every single day explaining how he was in an incestuous relationship with his daughter, how his wife was just a horse-faced British whore.
Ooh.
Yeah, but you do that for 3 years straight, I'd probably shoot you too.
Yeah.
Just thought.
Well, in Canada now, if you were to do something like that, you'd go to jail for hate speech.
Oh no, these were letters sent directly to him.
Yeah, well, they could, they could report it. So you're in a race on Traders Post right now too, hey?
Am I?
Yeah, because they just take whoever's in the comments and they put them in the race. So
Oh, really?
it's going on right now. It's it's just about over. Oh, you got third place. That means you got 40% off of something.
40% off a Trader's Post?
Yeah, I think so.
That's not going to do me much good.
It doesn't help it with the 40% off? No? You already have a better deal. It's crazy. It's crazy how people still believe women shouldn't vote. Yeah, who is that? Who honestly thinks that?
There are people out there that believe that women shouldn't vote, which
Well, I mean, I think lots of the Muslim community, not necessarily Muslim community. What is it? RGC. Maybe it's Muslim people. If you go to those Muslim countries, anyways.
Yeah, I know too many Muslims in the States to
But I think it would
go
be
with
more
that
like
one.
in their countries.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
They're
I know
pretty
very
orange.
little about that.
Yeah, there's some pretty bad stuff that goes on in some of those countries with the
Yeah,
religion stuff.
you're talking about in other countries. You just look here in the U.S. There are people who think that women shouldn't be voting, and this is like just weird. I really don't understand it.
Jerry said there's a lot of people in the U.S. They're mostly Christians. Really?
Yep, that
Wow.
is a
I didn't
fact.
see that coming.
Really?
Well, I didn't see that coming. I just assumed. Yeah, I don't know.
That was my first thought.
Hi Tam says, Dave, can you please read Bookmap? Yeah, sure. We have looks like we have some orders down below at 29,600. Looks like they're trying to take out these orders right now. We got 167 contracts at 600. We have a bunch up at 29,825. Looks like it got thinner though since we've been pulling down from there. So there's only 75 up there. 29,700. We got about 89. So it's not a whole lot. I kind of feel like this is potentially a support area around the 600s. We'll have to see. It just seems like there's pretty heavy orders. Either that or it's just shorts covering down there. There's a whole lot of buy orders around the 600s here. And it's pretty low volume on the top. So I don't know. Maybe we're going to just keep going lower. We'll have to see. Distributing contracts lower, possibly. 128 contracts up at 29,900. So I don't know. I'm not really seeing anything that I'm loving. It looks like we're just going to continue bearish here. We'll see.
That's what it's looking like on ES as well. I'm I'm resetting my book map for
minus
the second time today.
10,000. Minus 10,000 on the CVD for me. Oh, 9,500. That's a lot of CVD growth climbing there. Jeez. I wonder if Zarb's still in that freaking long, man. You know, he's got
Probably.
such a wide ass stop loss. It's gonna like let it go wherever it needs to go, and then it's gonna get the TP later in the afternoon at the highs. Snap! It went lower. Yeah. Oh yeah, because you got out of that. You got out of that short, Azar. That's too bad. It was looking really strong there on that the previous 5-minute candle there. Buyers are holding this a bit at the moment. CVDs now went from 10,000 up to 87 or negative 10 to negative 86. Yeah, he's still in that trade. He's in drawdown right now. He is a savage, man. The power of trading one micro and just letting it go. Like, he's not even going to take a huge loss on the day if it does, you know? If it does go against him, continue to go against him. Maybe this is going to go all the way to the point of control in the midnight open price, which is right at the value area low, 29,488. I mean, it's always possible. I just feel like, I don't know. Maybe, so you thinking that NFP was just like a pump just to like trick people before the Friday sell-off? I don't know. I was like talking myself out of a long there. I really want to take it long around the 580s. And then look at that thing, it's just all the way up 640 already. Sheesh.
Yeah, I'm looking at ES and still not.
I'm just gonna go get a coffee refills. I will be right back.
Zar's trying to long at NFP candle low. Are you going off the body of the candle or the wick? Looks like that long is working out for you if you took it at the 595. Wick always. I'll be right back. All right. In ES, I'd like to see a closure above 77.67 before I went for a long. Looks like we're getting a little bit of resistance at the 65 level. Again, it's that standard 1 deviation seems to be the resistance level.
Oh, here comes Andy G.
Yeah, Czar being able to breathe is a beautiful thing.
Wow, what a pump.
It's a pump.
Had to go take the ferment seed out to the chickens. My half brother's father is not doing very well, so my mom and my brother took off to go to Edmonton to go visit him. So I'm on full chicken duty.
You just said chicken duty.
Yeah, I did.
Sorry.
Jerry Trades, Mustang Trader. I heard this guy with a Porsche on Instagram rant about how no one can make a living off of trading. Really triggered me how people really spread misinformation like that to people.
So I don't know. I don't even know what to say about that.
Well, most people can't. Anyways, most
That's
people
true.
end up quitting before they become successful. So
that is very true. And that guy probably can't do it.
Czar, yes, Zarb is in profit now again.
Beautiful. All right, it's looking like ES is getting a bit more of a lift now. We did get over that 77.66 that I was looking for. So I took my long on that little pullback. I'm sorry, on a little tiny pullback back to 77.70.25. That's where I entered. Oh no, I entered at 77.69.75. So I'm just locking in a little bit of profit here. I got 11 bucks locked in.
Nice. Keep going here for Mr. Mustang.
Yeah, well, I mean, we'll see. We're getting up towards that positive 2 deviation band at 77.78.90. That seems like a good place for me to take a profit if I can get one.
Nice, yeah. Ryan Entourage in the house. What's up, Chad? Just popped by to say hi and drop a like. I'm off to work.
Have a good day at the working place.
Go hang out with your entourage. So Zarb decided to try to target, looks like he's targeting sort of the high, like this fair value gap. It's probably 830-ish. Oh, 820, he said. There you go. I wish I didn't talk myself out of taking that long down at the 580 area. When we were down there, I was like, well, we have the point of control midnight open just below. Maybe this thing's going to keep going lower. I should just... But my initial instinct was I should be buying it at this previous day's VWAP. But it's just typically against my rules.
to see ES break above 77.80 now.
Oh, sorry. Are you in a ES trade right now?
Yeah, I'm in an
Oh,
ES
okay.
long. Average entry is at 77.73.
Okay.
I got 25 bucks locked in right now. I'm only up 65. Just 2 micros. Started off with one, added another one. I'm waiting until it gets up toward a second deviation, or I'm sorry, past the second deviation band.
Mm-hmm.
If it does. Showing resistance right there.
Yeah, ES is definitely looking nice and strong. Swept the high of the NFP high there. NQ's definitely lagging. What's our YM doing? YM's been pretty choppy actually, but it is
That's kind of
looking
odd,
similar.
actually.
Yeah, usually
YM's
it
been
runs.
YM's been going on runners recently.
It is looking like ES though. It's just it seems tighter than ES, like 995. Yeah, the range isn't that big on YM today. It's 264 points, which sounds like a lot, but not really for
YM, that's not a
YM.
whole heck
Yeah,
of a lot.
they can do that in like a 5-minute candle.
Um, wait, how many points up is it now?
260. Not maybe not in a 5-minute candle, but
We've seen it
yeah, true.
right off the open.
We've seen easy
We've seen
1,000 point days on it. Like how much was that sell off yesterday? Like look at that thing. It was that was by the close it was 700 point sell off.
I ended up closing that at 77.79. I'm sorry, 77.78.50.
Okay, nice. That's good stop out right at sort of if it broke back into the
Yeah, it started pulling back, but I figured off of that standard 2 deviation, that was pretty much my spot to get out.
Sat, yeah, that was a good long. I got 590 to 690. Nice.
Oh,
job.
nice. That's a real nice job. All right, I'm stepping away again. This is making me edgy. I will be back.
Sounds good. Ryan Entourage, it mostly bothers me because I hear a lot from business owners that are well known. Keeps people in poverty, brainwashed, which is messed up because some people can be successful. Yeah. Yeah, it's good to like, it's you don't know being a Debbie Downer isn't really good, right? It's better if you can just kind of give people motivation, but sometimes the negative stuff is what sort of goes well or promotes on social media stuff, right? Unfortunately. Look at that naked point of control. I didn't take it off. Normally after we get to that level, I'll take it off. But like, it's been pretty solid information level here. Like, as you can see here, when we first pulled back to it, we kind of showed a bunch of indecision. We did break below it, back above it, another indecision candle there, right on it. And then it ended up turning into resistance. All the way down from there, now all the way back up, tapped it almost to a T, and then now we're showing a little bit of bearish momentum. So if NQ is going to continue with any type of bullish move, I'm going to want to see a closure above the 85 like probably even 800s would be ideal. So until then, we kind of have to consider a little bit of bearish price action here on NQ, possibly. We're above the VWAP though, so kind of mixed confluence. Just I feel like I should be patient and wait for the naked point of control to be taken here again. I'm rich, in Gordon's words. Yeah. We should hear that song one more time. Hey, Jerry?
NASDAQ open. Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching
Wayne's
candles.
watching volume. Jerry's watching candles.
Somebody better find Gordon.
Somebody better find Gordon.
W's in the chat. Let's trade. Let's trade. Rick selects fly, says we gonna dump hard and the bids come flying. Messing with the chart. Wayne sees the spike. Big boy's active. 2-minute MNQ, now the whole chat's reactive. Skeleton counting rejections at VWAP. Caught one short, now he's kicking right back.
It's a good problem, Jerry. It's a good problem.
Wayne knows the play. 5 VWAP rejections. That's enough for today. Noise says right back up soon. System Profex landing on the moon. As a fly says short the pop, then LFG. Green Delta, red candle, NASDAQ doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn.
Green Delta, red candle. Nasdaq's doing something nasty or what?
Never W's in the chat. Then we take it right back. The liquidity taking VWAP, getting tapped. Market butcher crew got the wildest chat. NASDAQ nasty, wait for confirmation. Don't get flashy, bulls take the stairs. Bears elevator down. Market butcher chat is the best around. Tim caught up 300, says time for bed, while half of the chat is still seeing candles in their head. Spud went negative 250, then positive 540. Call that thing a mini? Nah, that mini's massive. One volatile alternative took 1300 from the range. Cut the channel working, then he shut down the game. Then he traded 8 hours just to end where he began. As a fly said, that's 8 hours of experience, my man. Jerry took some losses, thought the session went bad. Check the account, still green. Now he ain't even mad. Jerry, big boy's active.
Jerry, big boy's active.
Scalers up as I fly. Noi, right back up. Reds. Now somehow trading turned into everybody's height. Red says, I'm 5'10". Chad says, you short, right? Well, you asked if I was short. Jerry's 5'11", now he's taking offense. As a fly says, that's too tall, sir. None of this makes sense. Donnie went to Mexico, 5'8", feeling tall. Meanwhile, we're supposed to be trading. After all, Ryan's laughing, Dave stealing somebody's joke. NASDAQ moving 20 points while the whole chat's broke. Then Zero Skills whispers, watch out, there's a cop here. Missed line 11 enters. Cover possibly blown. Yojim says she likes working undercover. Then quickly adds, not that I know about that. Miss made cookies. Nobody helped her decide. So now
Miss K made cookies.
Jerry asked for weird comments. Chat took it too far. Dark side's coming out while we're staring at the chart. Miss says, oh,
I feel like Jerry's like the highlight of this song, guys.
Liquidity taking, gold staying heavy. NASDAQ nasty with the butcher stayed ready. Let the green candles fly. Tradeify, Lucid, payout stacking high. Take profit, trader, blue sky EA. First payout hits. Now we're feeling great. Big boys active.
Big boy's active.
Deep bass.
I know the words are from chat, but the lyrics are so random. Yeah, I know. I know. Default name. It's literally just a bunch of comments from the session, so it doesn't necessarily apply to anything. But it's more just to like, you know, make the chat feel involved in the stream. Default name. I don't recognize your handle. So are you a newer person to the stream, or how did you find us? Pulling back here again. I kind of saw this coming though, but hey, there's Dad. Good morning. Dad's in the chat. Good morning. Good morning. Did you got it all worked out? Hey, Dad. Was having trouble getting into the chat last time. This whole technology nonsense. Pretty hard to type in the chat from the TV. YouTube randomly changed my username to default name. Oh, there you go. Wrong trade, Jim. I was like, default name dash IN5TD. Yeah. You got in today? Nice, Dad. Yeah. Sweet. I took a trade earlier, high time, but I haven't taken anything since, so I'm up. I took 2 trades earlier, so this account's up 321 here, and then this one here is up 603. So I'm up about 900 bucks in between these 2 accounts. So just been flat here now, kind of a little bit of an indecision area. So 13 likes so far. Yes, thanks. And you probably are one of them. Hey, Dad, thanks. The daily is a bull flag. I have been considering taking a long here. Just kind of curious to see if we're going to continue to hold this bullish fair value gap. We're between 2 1-hour in fair value gaps right now. Let's see. Mustang Like this guy up here, 984. And then we have one down here at 603.
While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride. NGO posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day for first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook, then comes right back to me. F and trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background, maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile, NQ keeps climbing higher. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. But we're still long, 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 long. Only YOLO. Only YOLO. Jomo. Joy, I'm missing out now. If I miss the move, another setup's coming out.
Wondering if we're going to hold this fair value gap here. They're trying to push it back down below these 660s. And we got the overnight VWAP there. Kind of stuck between the overnight and the New York.
Top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Home on one's too short to trend. That fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent.
Well, I just made 50 bucks and I didn't even have a chance to switch. I was going to try to switch accounts here. I just took it in the top one futures on that. I took $46 in one micro and then stopped out $10 on the other in profit out of the 2 micros. It's too bad on that one. Let me just log this out here and get in a different account. Probably not going to touch the blue skies anymore. I was taking a trade on the top one futures there. I like that. I tried to attempt on that fair value gap there, which worked out pretty good. Let's see here. No, top one futures. Coulda, shoulda, woulda held that one, I guess. You can kind of see this. I entered here on this one and sold it. Well, one was at 91, the other one's at 72. So sold one at sort of at the top here, and then the other one came back down, stopped me out. Now we're back above the VWAP. Jeez. Keeping them green though the weekend, right, Dave? Yeah, it's better to keep it tight and just not take a loss. That's why. So that's a good thing that I like about this traders post here. So I entered with 2 micros, and then I exited half of the trade. So I got this one button here. I can exit half a trade at any time, and then I just went down to 1 micro and put my stop in 5 points into profit in case it were to pull back. Trying to leave it for a runner. Of course it pulled back and stopped me out, and then it started running. So it's too bad that it worked out like that, but it is what it is. Not going to complain. Still green. I mean, I locked in another 50 bucks in 2 accounts there. So added 100 bucks. Well, one's an eval, one's a funded. So I added 50 bucks to the daily profit of the funded accounts. I haven't touched my, well, I did take 1 trade on my Lucid funded flex accounts, but stopped out 2 points in profit on that one, so break even. and then haven't traded my take profit trader account. Pro versus flex, anyone? I mean, I like the flex, but there's benefits to either, right? So you get a little bit, I think you get a little bit higher payouts in the pro, but the flex has no consistency, right? But also on the flex, you got to do 5 days of 150 bucks. So if you're confident that that's not going to be a problem, that you're gonna, like, you know, be able to do that. So how I usually trade those accounts is, once I get it funded, is just shoot for those $150 base hits. Once you hit those $550 base hits, once you pass it and you get those $550 base hits, then you can start being a little bit more you know, aggressive with that account. Because then you don't have to worry. As soon as you have a nice winning day, like, you can lock in a bunch, then as long as you have those 550, 150, you can withdraw money, right? So but have you looked at the Lucid daily? Because the daily is another option, right? These daily accounts are pretty good. Funded rules here, 2,000 max loss. They do have a 1,200 daily loss limit. Once you get past this daily, the buffer, so once you get above 2,000, this intraday drawdown ends, and then you can take daily payouts with you know, and no consistency, right? No consistency, daily payouts, no activation fee. So it's pretty beautiful. You can do, I would definitely start with end of day drawdown and the eval. It makes it a little easier to pass. And you could leave the daily loss on or turn it off. It's up to you. Just save a couple bucks. I think it's like 20 bucks. Yeah, 20 bucks if you want to turn it off. So I'll have to get ChatGPT to break each account type down for me. They don't tell you enough on the front page. Hey, tape reader Alex, how you doing? Yeah, so I think the pro is nice because you can pass it in one day, right? I think the pro you can pass in one day. One-time payment, pass in as little as 1 day. They do have a daily loss limit, funded rules. Profit target's 500 bucks, so you got to beat the buffer, so 2,500. And you can withdraw 500. I think that they have a higher payout cap. I think I've had these open before in the past too. Let's see here. Oh, no. But you can always ask in the chat here what the rules are for the payout, if that's what you're wondering. So, Zar, you're gonna call it early? Nice. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, man. Price is not being very friendly at the moment. But I mean, I like the flex. The flex is pretty awesome. They're a little bit more inexpensive. They have you have to pass it in 2 days. But I mean, that's fine, right? Then when you get to the funded rules, you have 5 days of $150 profit target, but they have no consistency score, right? So that's where these accounts shine. And then I think it's like a 500 minimum payout, and then like a 1,500. The 1,500, I think it's 1,500 for the first payouts. And then it goes up to, after you do 2 or 3, I think it goes up to 2,000.
I think on the third one it goes up to 2,000 for payout.
Okay, yeah. So it's the first 2 are 1,500, and the third one is 2,000. Gotcha. Have you tried the daily yet, Nick? The
No, I haven't.
I like them too. I have one, or no, I don't have one actually. Never mind. It's the Top One Futures Daily eval that I'm trading right now, so should probably pick up one of these dailies.
So you loving this price action or what here?
Oh yeah, this is what wet dreams are made of.
Oy.
I did just, I did get $50 in two Top One Futures accounts.
That's cool.
Yeah, I had two micros. I bought in this fair value gap. I sold one, and then I got stopped out break even on the other, or well, 5 points in profit on the other. So,
All right.
hey, chop suey tape reader, Alex. Hey, yeah, chop suey. Price action is chop suey.
And how?
Another stop loss. Another.
Yeah, MES is chopping around, NQ's chopping around. We do have 173 orders at 77.80 right now.
Bathroom break for me. Be right back.
Got into my long here on ES. It's 77.69.50. One single micro. I got $7.50 locked in. And today I am not willing to do anything more than one micro now. Take my $12.50 profit there. And I'm okay with that. Also trading ES because of all this chop. Big Tech Blonde, if these accounts only allow 5 payouts each, why not just take max payout each time? You can if you have the buffer for it. And I know with Apex, you can take the max payout, like on a 50K, it starts off at 1,000 and then goes up to, I want to say 2,000 or 3,000 for your 5th payout. And then your 6th and final payout before they close the account for you is no limit. So if you build up a huge amount of buffer and then take your 5 max payouts, or even just 5 small payouts, and then on your 6th one, take as much as you possibly can, then, you know, they're going to cancel the account anyway. You might as well take all your money out of it. It's like we're getting some more lift here on ES. Those are the Apex accounts. Yeah, I'm right there with you. That's why I'm trading 1 micro and not holding them for more than a couple of points.
Hey Nick, have you seen Clea lately?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I haven't seen her in a couple days anyways.
Yeah, she's
Sure,
been mad
everything's
at
all
me.
good. She's probably just busy girl. I don't
She's
know.
mad at me.
I haven't seen Kyle lately either, so I'm wondering. Kyle.
They're vacationing together right now.
Yeah, they're like, yeah, let's go away.
They're in the
for,
Bahamas. They're in the Bahamas.
Alex, you've been contemplating not trading NFP Fridays because they can be tricky. Yeah, I mean, look at the price today. Jeez. Yep. Looks like the orders are coming on thicker above though. 29,800, 29,825, 850. Some just came on a little, getting a little thicker up there. So it's kind of looking like they want to go higher. ES is looking pretty strong. ES is still up above previous day high. I really got to try to get on PFM someday.
Start messing with Zach and like, how do you hold trades for so long?
Right? This guy's a maniac.
I don't know how he does it. I couldn't.
He's still in that trade. From like,
are you serious?
From pre-market.
From
yeah.
pre.
Like he was before NFP. He was in that trade.
And it's 9 o'clock. How are you still?
And it's green right now. He's got the stop below the lows, and he's got the TP up at the 820s.
Ugh.
Yeah, prop for match. Wrong trade, Jim.
Alex asked me a couple of weeks ago if I wanted to come back on PFM.
Nice. Oil moving back up a bit, but I don't see any news. The Fed was talking there a few minutes ago, looks like. Well, that was about 15.
Barkin's talking today, right?
Yeah. Big Teflon said Lucid Flex is BS. You only get half your profit when they take 20% of that. Half. Oh yeah, you can only take out half your profit. But all you got to do is hit the 550 days. And then you can take 50% of whatever's above that. But the nice thing is, yeah, 20% isn't the best split, but the no consistency is pretty good. I don't know. So, yeah.
That's why I like them, is because of the no consistency. That's the big one for me. I have issues with being consistent. Because I keep adding into winning trades, and that's not great if you have a 20% consistency rule.
Mustang trader, Discord, late night futures, off the top again. See you tomorrow.
So you think ES is going to go up?
Let me take a look here. I mean, it's looking like signs are saying, yeah.
Like all indication, or all the indicators are pointing towards up.
Yeah, I can definitely agree with that. Obviously, there's no guarantee, but
Yeah.
Let's go.
it definitely. I mean, we're above New York. We're above overnight. We're above previous day high.
Market butcher,
We're in price discovery, so like price should continue higher.
Mustang trader,
NQ starting to go,
late night
getting up to 760s now.
Discord open, charts glowing. Let's go. No FOMO. Only YOLO. No FOMO. Only YOLO. Jomo. Joy of missing out.
I was just thinking about taking a long on NQ, but I'm just not doing it. I just can't do it right now. Yeah, I feel like it wants to close higher, tape reader Alex, but you just can't, you just don't like the chop. Yeah, I don't blame you. Yeah, the split's 90-10. You get half of 2,000, then 1,000, you get 900 of that, so it's 40% split. Well, just, don't take that as such a bad thing, Big Teflon, because next time you're going to have that 1,000 already in your account, right? So, like, if you hit another $550 days, then you can take out another 50% of that already, that buffer that's already, that profit that's left in there, right?
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
It's, it doesn't go away. You don't lose that. So it's kind of like, it's just it's just forcing you to leave a buffer in there, which is kind of a good thing, because then you're, less chance of blowing the account, I guess.
And they do that so you end up with more of a buffer than anything. It keeps you in the game a little bit longer, especially if you have a tendency to blow accounts.
Yeah. Big Teflon, the AI just told me the profit is gone after. Well, I don't think that makes sense, because you don't lose the account after you take a payout. You know what I mean? So if you get a buffer, right? If you get above 2,000, maybe you get to 3,000, right? You can withdraw up to 50% of all the profits after 150 times 5, right? I mean, I wouldn't recommend that. I would keep it. I would always just keep it above 2,000, anyways. So if you're up to, you know, if you're up to 3,000, you could take 1,000 out, and you'd still be taking only half of it down to 2,000, and then,
Yeah.
and then you know, you still have that buffer, and then all you got to do is 5 $150 days, and technically you could take that out again, those 5 150. So what, 7 is that 755? Yeah, 750 minus your commission split, but so did you hear that in Zach's chat or his Discord, he like said kind of jokingly that if someone got a WASL tattoo, that they would get a free lifetime subscription to his Discord, like his paid Discord.
Oh,
Somebody
yeah.
went and got the freaking tattoo, and they got a free Discord forever. So the guy got on his forearm. It looks like a chart with like an entry and an exit price, and it says Wassel below it. So then he's like, yeah, I can't give that away anymore, guys. So that offer's off the table. But it's pretty funny. Somebody got a tattoo with Wassel.
That is hilarious. I love it.
Yeah.
All
Probably
right.
made AI pick with the tattoo on. Oh, could have been. Could have been. Oh, here it is right now. He just showed it on stream.
Did he? I'll
Yeah.
pull that up.
See if I can find it here where. Okay, I got it here. See that?
That's
On the screen
hilarious.
there? Green candle, red, green, 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 red, red, green, red, 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 green, 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 red. And then he's got like a couple like entry lines, and then on the bottom it says Wassel, wide ass stop loss.
All right. Back
to high day on ES. That's crazy. Work for a free Discord. Yeah, crazy work for free Discord. The guy must love trading, you know. I don't know that I'd be putting a chart on my arm, to be honest, but
Yeah, no. Seems like I got one candle tattooed on me. Everybody thinks it's a dog penis.
yeah. What the heck? What is this? Look at that resistance at the naked point of control there again. Why did you get this tat, babe? That's like his girlfriend says. Well, I had to get the free lifetime subscription to Zach's
Yeah, right.
liquidity lab. She's like, what? Liquidity lab? What is that? If you know, you know.
So I just put in an ES long.
Okay, on that little pullback there.
Yeah, 7,775.
Popping up a bit here. Yeah, ES is looking pretty good here. Couldn't do a nice little move here.
Yeah, all the orders on ES seem to be up above the current price. Got 215 at 77.82, 202 at 77.85. Just added another 2 contracts on that little pullback.
Yeah, I'm actually trying to convince myself to stay out of trades right now for some reason. Well, I mean, it's probably good reason, but
Yeah, very good reason.
I'm green on the week. I'm up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 6 days are 100% win rate this week too. So don't really want to mess it up. 90% on Monday, and then 100% every day after that.
Yeah, that's incredible. I don't know how you do it.
I don't know either. I think it has the benefits of the command pad, man.
Honestly,
we get into profit. We can easily just get that stop in there.
Yep.
So far, August is treating us real nice, though.
Yeah, so far.
Like, especially you. Yeah, that 1 day made your entire month so far.
Yeah, pretty much.
So as long as you keep having decent days, it's going to be a super killer month.
Yeah, I did have one great day right at the beginning of August. Right after my birthday, too, so that was perfect.
Oh, you didn't even mention that.
Yeah, birthday was on the 2nd. So happy birthday to me. I had a really good day.
Awesome, yeah. That is awesome. Hey, we got like 37 people watching right now. 19 people in YouTube. Well, 21 people in YouTube. And looks like about 15 people in X. Welcome everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you guys are having a good session here. It is pretty choppy, but there was some opportunities to make some decent trades here.
Oh man, I'm gonna take a nap while I'm sitting in this trade.
Yeah, no doubt. Is it just watching paint dry?
Yep, pretty much.
Well, it could be worse. It could be ripping in the opposite direction, so.
Yeah, it's true. Don't even say that.
Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Sorry. I take it back.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
I looked over and it just like went one down, ticked one down. I was like, shit. What did I say?
Damn it,
I
Dave.
rolled my mouth.
Shut your pretty whore mouth.
Hold those comments in. I need to find a new fireplace stream because this one ends way too fast and I don't like the other one, so this one's 2 hours.
It's funny, I'm up like 435 per account for the day.
Yeah.
And I've been trading single micros on ES.
It's pretty good. Single micros on ES, $400. That's pretty good. Did we see Angia? I don't think we saw it. I didn't see Angia this morning, did I?
I saw her in the pre-market.
She's probably over at FSB right now.
That's the one she actually works for, right?
Yeah. There you go. There's ES is going up.
Yep, I just took my profits on that.
Nice.
Now watch, it's gonna just launch. But it's getting towards that high a day at 77.81, so I didn't want to hold it. Figure there's going to be some resistance and a pullback off of that level.
Yeah, NQ's sitting at that naked point of control at the moment.
Yep, there it is. There's the starting to pull back now.
Nice trade.
My little $34 trade there. $36.50.
The good old round 36.50.
$36.50.
36.50, 36.50, 36.50.
Hey, if I do that 10 times a day. Ten times a day on 20 accounts.
Pretty huge.
That's a good day as far as I'm concerned.
Well, that's unfortunate. I did try my first long there in a minute. Didn't quite. I went buy bid and it left me in the dust there as it pushed up into the 90s, so I just canceled the orders.
So here's something fun for you.
Yeah.
I have one because today is so choppy and I'm trading so small. I have one eval in here
Mm-hmm.
that was down to $50 worth of drawdown.
So you only have what's that? Sorry, say that again.
I screwed up an eval account,
Mm-hmm.
so I only had $50 worth of net liquidation,
Yeah.
and now it's up to 410.
Nice. Might recover that boy then. You got some space in it again.
Yeah, it's I thought it was going to be gone today on any little pullback.
Yeah.
I just copied it to the funded accounts.
I guess that's why it's a good thing that you've been trading ES.
Well, I wasn't going to trade NQ today anyway.
Yeah.
NQ just looks like a whole lot of bad decisions to be made.
Hey Van, we do the giveaway on Sunday, so I don't have enough accounts to give away during the week.
Hold on one second here.
unfortunately. So won't be doing any giveaways till Sunday. So tune in on Sunday though. There you go. Zach's TP just got hit, I think. Oh my god, Zach, just close the trade, dude. It's like he's getting edged on this trade, and he's like, "Come on now, Zach, push, push." He got edged by like a tick, and it's like, "Come on, man, just close the trade." It was right there. Like it's a win, man. It's a win.
I really don't understand that at all. Take the money and run.
Like, why wait for a tick or two, right? You know?
Yeah, it just seems like a bad idea to me.
He's gonna get it. There, you got it now. I think it's up
Alright.
at 23, but I don't know if it's taken up. Come on,
Did he
do
move
it.
his take profit up too?
No, his TP
Okay,
is
good.
like set at 8. Are you gonna get edged again, dude? Come on, man. Just close the trade. Don't be a D for a D, man. He got it. He got it. Okay, it closed it. Jeez. Damn.
Oh
This guy,
man,
he's really resilient. You know what I mean? Like
he is, but
only he
he
can do that.
I swear, every time I watch that guy trade, I get heartburn.
Like he's been in that trade since like 8:30 a.m. Like an hour before market opened, he was in there.
I mean, I'm glad he got his profit target and all that, but damn.
Sat, you're learning to just market order sometimes when it gets close. I got cooked a few times myself since I can't control emotions after a missed TP. Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. I mean, that can definitely set you on tilt, especially if it misses your TV by like a couple ticks and then actually starts pulling back substantially. But one thing that like often what I'll do is I'll just drag my stop up and just put it right up there. Sometimes I end up getting stopped out, losing a little bit more, but at least you're not going to let it really like fully reverse on you, right?
Yeah, having that break even plus 20 or 5 or to whatever is it's just, I mean, honestly, it's just risk management.
Yeah. Or just exit market and cancel, right? That's on Tradeify if you're on there. I'll do that also, guys, just to like get out. So just close a trade, man. Just close it. Take it. I'm taking it. I seen I think it was Strong Trader on ASFX TV one time. I watched him get edged multiple times, and it literally went back all the way to his entry and stopped him out.
Yep, I've seen that happen to those guys
like
more times than I care to remember.
Yeah, just take it. Like, come on.
Yep.
You're gonna get that extra 5, 10, 20, 50 bucks, whatever it is. Like when you're up 800 or something already. Like, come on.
Yeah, that's the one thing that always made me laugh about those guys. It's like they're looking for, you know, $2,000 trades, things like that. And it's great if you can get one. But I'm happy with my $36.50. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'll do that over and over and over again until I get to a decent profit. Or I am in the red and decide that I don't want to take those paper cuts anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
But how many days have I taken like 4 or 5 $36 wins and then like maybe a $50 loss and then ended up with a $800 trade shortly thereafter?
Yeah. All because you're okay with those $36 winners.
Yep. Just sitting and being comfortable with your break even +2.
Yeah. Well, it sure is a reassuring feeling though when you do hit that button. It's kind of like, okay, well, worst case scenario, I'm, you know, making cost and commission maybe a little bit more, and that's it. Like, I'm good with that. So lately I've been trying to, especially on those funded accounts, if I'm trading 2 micros, I'll exit half of the trade in profit and then I'll go break even on the rest. And
yeah,
I can let it run. So
I've been trying that lately, and it's actually worked out the few times that I've done it. Trying to learn from you a little bit and
well, we got that
maximize
exit half button on.
You do. I don't.
Oh, you didn't have that one on your chart? I put it on there.
No.
Yeah. It's like yesterday in the evening stream. I went long 2 micros. I closed half in profit, and then the other one ran to like I made more on the last contract than I did on the first contract. Like substantially more, like 4 times more. And it's literally because I took profit and I went break even on the remainder and let it run, right? So it's kind of like the similar idea that you're doing, where you just lock it in the profit and you just let it go. But I just personally, you know, de-risk a little bit, plus, you know, then I start trailing it up. I was like, it was an explosive candle to the top upside, and I was just like trailing it. It's like boom, so good.
Yeah, that's beautiful when that can happen. Alright, what's ES going to do now? Got some orders coming on underneath and some sell volume balls. It looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback, but nothing.
Yeah.
Looking at the book map going, oh, okay, so pullback and sell volume balls, and then I look at it and it's down like 3 points.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, NQ found a little resistance here up at sort of pre-market highs, NFP highs here. Oh, so Zach actually added into that trade at the lows. He there was a
Oh,
4-hour
okay.
bullish fair value gap that was in the lows there, and I just noticed he was saying that, so he added in on that. Right, and it ended up being right at the very bottom. He like bottom ticked that at the whatever the 580 area, 580 590 area.
That's pretty ballsy.
Yeah.
When
Oh, I
you're in that
I
much
didn't even see
drawdown,
that.
adding into a.
Yeah, so I think he added 1 micro, right? So that brought his average price probably down to, yeah, gave him a nice average price, I guess, on that. But yeah, definitely ballsy.
I won't do that because I'm a chicken.
Yeah, I gotta be honest, when I woke up and I saw what happened at the NFP, I was like, I felt some FOMO. Like, instantly felt FOMO when I woke up this morning. I looked at the chart and I'm like, oh, damn.
Oh. Yeah, I purposely stayed out of that one.
Yeah, I know you typically aren't really in news. It's better to be flat on news.
Yeah.
Because it can
For me,
just,
I'm just not good at news trading.
yeah. Well, I mean, it could have just popped up and went straight back down if you got long, and then it could have been, like a fake
Yeah.
out. Especially the news was, from what it sounded like, it was bad.
Yeah, and everything just launched up to begin with. It was like, what's happening here? Why
Yeah.
are
Yeah, that naked point of control, I don't know, must just have been the draw in liquidity, and they just used the the news as a catalyst to get to it, and then yeah. Well, they accumulated for like a day and a half, so it kind of makes sense. Like, I would say Wednesday and Thursday price action looks sort of like accumulation to me.
okay?
Like, we had a bunch of accumulation. We manipulated lower on pre-market rate on Thursday, right at the start of the open, and then ripped back up into that accumulation zone, then basically continued with the accumulation, and then this is sort of like distribution to the top side, right? So I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like we're going to continue bullish next week. We'll have to see. I wonder if August is typically a bullish month in general.
I don't know. Do you use Edgeful at all?
I never got a subscription there, so I'm assuming you can't use it for free, right? So
Yeah, I don't think so.
and I just have too many things that I'm already paying for, sort of. So although I'm no longer in the ASFX streams, so maybe I could think about getting into Edgeful, start exploring that thing a little bit.
Yeah, they're all of the ASFX streams are on the YouTube anyway, so
Or are they?
I think so. Or at least most of them are.
Zarb's using, it's funny you said that, because now Zarb's bringing up Edgeful right now on stream, so.
Alright, I just put in a 1 micro long on ES. Hey, look at that, it went in my favor.
Hey, Plum Trader's in the house. How are you? Mr. Plum Trader, 20 years in the plumbing industry. 22 years, I think.
Good industry to be in.
Yeah, I kind of wish I got into plumbing. I mean, I've done a bunch of like small jobs, but nothing to like say I'm a plumber or anything, but 22 years of fun. As long as you're not dealing with the poop tubes all the time, that's kind of the worst part. Ideally, doing fresh installs would be the best job, right?
New construction.
New construction, fresh pipe installs, and not dealing with poop tubes that are clogged and whatever. You got to run that snake down there, and then you got a nasty ass snake after. Come on, Plum Trader, give us your grossest story. I want to hear it right now.
Not sure I want to hear this.
What is the most nasty job that you had to deal with so far? Dirty Jobs by Mike Rowe.
Blech.
Okay, my bread and butter is restaurant emergencies. Oh, nice. That's cool. One time we found a trench drain that had been lost between two cooler walls, and they sealed the end of the walls. It backed up in there for lots of years. Ooh.
Oh.
When we opened the wall, we found slime like I've never seen, and I've had pig styles that smell. Oh, pig style. Pigs that smell better than that. That was memorable. Yep. That sounds like an unforgettable experience.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like
Nasty.
oof.
If you think NASDAQ is nasty, that's pig pens basically, yeah. Pig styles, yeah. One sec here. Too much coffee.
So I put in one ES micro long at 7,778.75. This is just a scalpy day.
Very scalpy. Is this going to be a lower high from the NQ? Because it's like it didn't quite make the NFP high. We got to like the indecision candle, hammer candle, and then just rejected there. So I wonder if that naked point of control is going to end up being our support level now on NQ. Like,
Where is that? Where's the naked
784.
point?
782, actually. Yeah, not a whole lot going here. I'm kind of ready to wrap it up anytime.
Yeah, me too.
We hit our, well, 2 hours for me and multiple extra hours for you. 4 hours for you? 4 plus? 4.5 hours?
It's almost 10 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, this stream's been going for 2.5 hours. And did you start at the
Yeah, I started at
7:30?
5. Yeah, I started at 5:30 or 7:30
Nice.
Eastern time.
So yeah, so you're running on 4.5 hours trading now. It's a good work day.
Long work day.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty awesome that you broke the 200 subscribers. I think you're at like 191 or something, 197 last night. I don't remember. But
Yeah, I'm not really
191.
sure where it was last night, but I know where it wasn't at 200, so. Oh, this long is finally working out for me.
Oh, nice. Exactly 200 subscribers. I remember when I first got to 200, it seemed to like speed up after that a bit. It's kind of like the algorithm starts to like trust you a little bit more, promote you a little bit more after
Gotcha.
you get, a couple hundred in there. At least that's what it seemed like to me.
Who knows? Maybe someday I'll be famous like you.
Yeah, so famous.
I don't know. I got scam artists impersonating you trying to get me to send them money, so
Damn scammers. They're everywhere.
it irritates me to no end.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I added another micro into this long.
Yeah, it's definitely a good milestone though. 200 subscribers is, it's, I remember like I felt pretty happy about 200. So
Yeah, I'm happy about it.
I remember the first 100 was like the hardest. It's like seemed like it took forever. It was like months. It was like a couple months, I think it was, to get through the first 100.
Oh yeah, I remember back when I was on PFM with Zach, when he was like, "Oh yeah, you've got a total of," and he looked it up. He's like, 4 subscribers, and yeah, that was just hilarious.
I was probably
Those-
one of them.
It was kind of funny too, because it was like, I'm on PFM,
Yeah.
and the people in that chat are like, "This idiot's only got 4 subscribers. What the hell is he doing on PFM?"
Yeah.
Like, well,
It's not about the YouTube channel. It's about the trading.
yeah. Yeah, I think from doing that though, it doubled that day,
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice exposure.
and I ended up with 8.
Yeah. And then I remember I think a couple people started coming watching our streams too from that. I forget their
Yeah, I
names,
think so.
but I remember a couple people came over.
Yeah, the way that we're doing it's definitely a different vibe than some of the channels out there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so he just said proper match just hit 70K subscribers.
Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's
pretty big.
it's a pretty big number.
A bit of a pullback here. Somebody's name in the chat is NQ Wassel Trader. They updated their name to NQ Wide Ass Stop Loss Trader.
All right.
He's got people onto that. I mean, you know, it's interesting because that's kind of like Austin's style too, right?
Yeah.
Like their wide ass stop losses on ES, always well below like opening range low or whatever.
Yep.
And I guess that's kind of contributes to why they have a lot more of those winners. But it's just hard to stomach those big losses like that. So, is it necessary? I don't know. I mean, he could have taken. Zach could have taken like 3 winning trades throughout that time.
Oh yeah.
Basically the same strategy that he did. So, but I think it's good for like him to promote himself and his channel and everything, and the educate, like the course. So, makes sense. But if you think about it, he was up 200 points after NFP. He could have closed that, waited for the 4-hour fair value gap mitigated, then got that entry from way at the lows, and would have been a second super banger trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's how he does it. All right, man. I think I'm getting out of here. This is
Yeah.
before I start putting people to sleep.
I think the chat's asleep right now. Nobody's talking, so it's all good.
All right. So, I will see you Monday morning.
Yes, sir. Sounds good.
Oh. Excuse me. I'd say wake up early and come in with me, but It's not going to happen after you're done streaming on Sunday.
Yeah, I will definitely. I should be able to hopefully get on one of these days though early. If I can ever get to bed early. It's kind of this whole evening stream really throws off my sleep cycles because it's like I'm just getting used to being up later.
Gotcha.
And it's like, you know, I only got like freaking 4 hours sleep last night, so.
Oh, that's not good. All right, Doc. I will see you tomorrow or Monday. Have a good weekend.
Okay.
Everybody in the chat, thanks for playing. Come visit me in the pre-market on Monday, and yeah, we'll see you then.
Sounds good, Nick. See ya. All right, guys. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here too, guys. I'm green on the day, so I'll show my calendar real quick here with what's going on this on my accounts here. So it's been definitely a solid week to start here. Sunday, 2 winners, 1 loser, only $68. Monday, 87.5% win rate, 8 trades, 1,180. 12 trades on Tuesday, 100% win rate, $910. Wednesday, 6 trades, 487, 100% win rate. Thursday, $1,000, 6 trades, 100% win rate. Friday, 5 trades, $668, 100% win rate. So beautiful start to the month so far. Let's see if we can just keep this up and not have any blow up days. That would be money. If I can just avoid the blow up days, avoid the big loss days. If I can just keep it to, like, you know, these $300 to $1,000 winners, and then hopefully if I'm gonna take a loser, just keep it to 300. So yeah, thanks, Teflon. Do I trade only props or do I have a cash account? I do have a personal account, but unfortunately I'm a bit of a bag holder right now in that I ended up buying MSTR, which is that Bitcoin sort of stock based off Bitcoin. So I bought that. I put a bunch of money in there, so I'm kind of bag holding that right now. So I'm not really I don't really have the capital available in my account. So eventually I would like to fund it again. Unfortunately, being in Western Canada, we don't have access to a lot of the good trading firms. Like the leverage is pretty high. So I got to use IBKR for futures trading, which means like you have to have quite a substantial amount of cash available in your account to be able to trade futures. So not like Tradeify or whatever, some of those other ones where you have like, you know, $100 per micro contract or something. So unfortunately it is like that in Canada, unless you're in Ontario. But yeah, so I don't really trade a personal account at the moment, but hopefully planning to in the not too distant future. I do have 3 accounts right now, 2 Lucid Flex accounts and 1 Take Profit Trader Pro account that are all available for payouts. So I'm probably going to I'm trying to be patient and build up a little more buffer before I take it out. So we'll see how that goes. Weeble's available, but I don't think they do futures, do they? Does Weeble do futures? I wasn't sure if Weeble did futures, did it? Maybe it does. Oh, you have a futures cash account? Okay. I'll have to look into Webull. I do have an account with them. I don't think I think I just started an account. I didn't really open anything in it. Webull. Yeah, I don't think I didn't do anything with that account, but I'll definitely take a look at that. I will definitely take a look at that as an option. So, oh, you added me for the invite for the Delta profile, then realized I have things to be fixed. By Sunday, I'll have it up. Okay, nice. Thanks, Big T. Big T in the house. Hey, High Tam is wrapping it up. Rapping it like a freestyle rap. See you next time, High Tam. Hey, Night Build Audio. You tuning in right as we're about to end here pretty quick. So thanks, everybody. Yeah, so let's do our little shout out like we usually do to the top chats, everybody in the chat anyways. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Big Teflon, Jerry Trades, High Tam, Czar, Blackout News Network, Vanch, Skeletor, Wrong Trade Jim, Plurd, Kyle Shees, Tape Reader Alex, Ryan Entourage, Puran, default name, again, their default name wrong. That's Wrong Trade Jim, I think. Drew69 Malibu, Sat9473, FN Trades, Peter Hartman, and Tim Core. So thank you, everybody. We'll be back on Sunday. Make sure you guys tune in on Sunday for the 25K Lucid Flex account giveaway. We'll be live 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday to see if we can't get some nice trades on the market open. Thank you, Stop Loss Sweetheart. You have a great day. Good to see ya. Yeah. I didn't see your in the comment section on you must be in, I think, oh, never mind. That's weird. Normally when you make a comment you should be in the top fans, but for whatever reason it didn't show you. Oh, there we go. Stop Loss Sweetheart. There we go. Later, everybody. You guys have a great day. Yeah, make sure you tune in. If you guys haven't filled out the form recently on Discord for the Sunday giveaway, make sure you head over there. I think we only have about 54 people that are entered into that. So head over to Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top there, fill out the form in there for your entry on all the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. So thanks, everybody. See you guys live tomorrow night, or no, Sunday night. And trade safe today. Don't do anything too crazy. It's Friday. Try to end the week on a decent note. You know, don't blow any accounts up while we're heading into the weekend. It never feels good. So that's kind of the reason I haven't really taken any trades since those couple in the morning. Ended up having a decent morning, so willing to lock it in like that. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and we will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye, everybody. See ya.
Market butcher roll call. Yeah. Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang.
See you, Night Build.
Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you're ready to ride. Top one futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We survive in every session cause we trade it right. Engine GBU holding number one. Four feds here one always loading the gun. Your gym blast.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.